Welcome back to Automatic Education. Over the years, Audi has seen some drastic design changes. Take the curvaceous B3 generation model from the second half of the 1980s, which replaced the boxy B280 of the early 1980s. However, the designs only really changed gradually from one generation to the next. Despite being a completely new vehicle, the 2025 A5 Sportback has obvious similarities to the liftback sedans of today. Thus, it's dashing but recognizable. There are no contentious grille modifications or drastic headlamp treatments. Nothing is able to upset the balance. However, designers are working on a new 3 Series at Audi's fiercest rival, BMW, and they're not happy with simply installing a set of flush door handles and calling it a day. We think the upcoming 3 Series, which will be offered with an electric or combustion engine option, has a lot more intriguing appearance than what we've seen in these spy photos. It will resemble the Vision Neue Klasse concept from last year. When the configurator launches, though, consumers won't see an EV option. Audi reserves even-numbered badges for electric vehicles. As a result, the current combustion engine in the A4 is canned, and a wagon version of the A5 is planned. The A5 will only be available to buyers with mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid electric vehicle (PHEV) powertrains. There will also be another A4, but it will be an EV. Furthermore, judging from what we know about the upcoming VW Passat and Tiguan, at least one of the plug-in choices should have a 268 horsepower, 272 PS, 1.5-liter gasoline engine and a battery capacity of more than 19.7 kilowatt-hours, giving it an electric vehicle range of more than 60 miles, 97 kilometers. When the Sportback debuts in late 2024, we'll learn more about the entire engine lineup and whether Audi plans to revive the A5 Coupe and Cabrio. Which 3 Series vehicle are you most anticipating? The announcement of the next model year is still at least a year away.